Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you today? Okay, I'm fine too. Thanks for asking me. Okay, student, are you ready for study? Yes, really good. Okay, before start our lesson today, if we will be better our lesson, we start by reciting basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sebelum kita melanjutkan ke topik pembahasan kita, topik pembelajaran kita selanjutnya, Miss akan bertanya, apa materi kita sebelumnya? Ya, kamu. Ya, betul sekali, context. Kali ini kita juga akan belajar tentang teks, tapi dengan jenis yang berbeda, yaitu naratif teks. Naratif teks. Di dalam naratif teks itu terdapat tenses. Siapa yang tahu apa itu tenses? Ya, nanti kita akan pelajari. Sebelumnya kita mempelajari itu dulu apa saja yang terkandung di dalam naratif teks. Yang pertama yaitu orientation, yang kedua complication, dan yang terakhir adalah resolution. Sebelumnya Miss akan bagikan Miss akan bagikan selembaran teks tentang deskriptif teks. Contohnya malin kundang. Bentar. Ini for you, this for you, this for you, this for you. Oke. Kalian bisa tengok apa yang di kertas yang selembaran yang Miss kasih tadi, dan Miss akan bacakan deskriptif teksnya, contoh deskriptif teksnya, yaitu tentang malin kundang. Malin kundang. Once upon a time lived a diligent boy named Malin Kundang. He lived in the shore with his mother. They were very poor, but they lived quiet and harmonious. One day, a big ship close to the beach near their village. They asked people to join work in their ship and went to the cross island. Malin Kundang wanted to join with them because he wanted to improve his family's. Because he wanted to improve his family's life. But his mother didn't permit him. She worried to Malin. Malin still kept his argument, and finally he sided with their big ship. Several years later, Malin Kundang succeeded and he became rich trader. Then he came to his native village with his beautiful wife, but his wife didn't know Malin's real descent. His happy mother quietly approached Malin and brought a plate of flesh cake, Malin's favorite. But Malin didn't admit that woman as his poor mother. And then he kicked the village cake which brought by his mother until scratched. His mother very broken heart because Malin rebellious to her, who had brought him. Then his mother cursed. Malin became stunned. Suddenly that big ship which Malin's had was facilitated by a big storm, and all of his crewmen tossed aside out. Malin realized that was his fault that rebellious his mother. He bowed down and became a stone. Dari cerita yang Miss bacakan tadi, apa tenses dari cerita itu? Ya, they were very poor. They were very poor. But they lived quiet and harmonious. Siapa tahu apa orientation dari cerita Malin Kundang tadi? Ya betul, paragraf pertama yaitu dari once upon a time sampai harmonis. Dan complicationnya yaitu dari one day, yaitu paragraf kedua, one day sampai sacred treat. Dan resolution dari cerita Malin Kundang ini yaitu tentang berada di paragraf ketiga. Dan sekarang misalnya bertanya, apa inti dari cerita Malin Kundang? Ya, kita dilarang untuk durhaka kepada orang tua, karena seperti apapun orang tua kita, seburuk apapun dia akan tetap orang tua kita. Karena apalagi ibu, kita tidak boleh melawan kepada ibu, karena surga yang sesungguhnya itu, karena surga ada di telapak kaki ibu. Ridho Allah tergantung ridhonya orang tua, murkanya Allah tergantung murkanya orang tua. Jadi jangan sekali-sekali kita berkata atau sebagainya yang menyinggung perasaan orang tua kita. Oke, Miss rasa cukup sekian untuk materi kita kali ini. Untuk minggu depan Miss akan kasih kalian tugas, dan kalian harus berbagi beberapa kelompok. Miss tidak akan bagikan kelompok, itu terserah kalian aja mau bagi kelompok beberapa. Pokoknya nanti itu ada 5 kelompok. Miss kasih kelonggaran sama kalian membagikan kelompoknya, dan konfirmasi setelah itu kepada Miss jam istirahat nanti. Okay, I think that's all for our meeting today. We are class our lesson today by reciting Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, see you next meeting, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.